What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Turbo, which is up 4.2% at 009. Now, I haven't covered this in a while, so I'm pretty curious to see how the chart's been playing out. Market cap 657 million. We have 69 billion coins in circulation. Out of 69, all the coins are in circulation, which is awesome. It means they cannot dilute the price on you by putting more in. Now, the all-time high in this was 22 days. Wow, I didn't know 22 days ago. That's crazy. At 1.4, we're down 32%. All-time low was 1 year ago. I remember when Turbo came out. Man, if you would have bought and held, you'd be up 146x on your investment. Absolutely insane, guys. Turbo's currently available on a lot of exchanges. Look, it's on Binance now. It's at MEXC. Coinbase is all the way down here with volume. Yeah, get down there, Coinbase. And yeah, Get.io. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Turbo. All right, everybody, let's get in the Turbo here. Look at this chart. Beautiful, beautiful chart, man. Beautiful chart. How many coins do you know that have this start to them right now that in the end they just go absolutely parabolic? Congratulations, guys. So one thing I want to point out here is this very, very strong multi-year uptrend that you guys have had. This has actually been taking place since October of 2023. So that's huge that you guys have never broken that yet. If we look at the day chart here, we're going to look at the indicators and we're going to jump into the short term up top. If we look at the indicators here, the MACD is looking bullish right now. We are working towards that bullish crossover. The bullish indicators are still on the bullish side. This is the bullish side, and I guess this is the bearish. They're both B, so you got BB. So as long as these lines are on the bullish side and we're about ready to flip bullish, I think the momentum is in our favor here for a movement to the upside. The RSI is looking pretty good as well. It's pretty stagnant right now, putting in a higher low, currently working its way up. Short-term downtrend for the RSI, I'd be keeping an eye on something like that. Hopefully we break out of here and we can start rallying to the upside. Now, if you look at that WTX, very similar situation. It put in a higher low and it's starting to tail back up. Now, one thing I want to point out here is if we actually zoom in a little bit for you guys and look at this short-term consolidation phase, is this downtrend resistance area that we've been experiencing since the 11th of December. This is where we're currently going to be testing Turbo out. Most likely heading back up to around 001. 001 is going to be a very psychological resistance area for you guys because you're going to be losing a zero. As of right now, you're 0. If you go up to 01, you're losing a zero. Believe it or not, that's for some reason psychological for people, and it's just a resistance area nonetheless. And you can kind of see that right here. It's also the 618 on the micro fib. So in the meantime, right now, we're finding our support to the 382. I do believe Turbo will continue to go up today, at least to the downtrend resistance area at 001. I think we'll be flirting with that today. And then if you do happen to break above 001, the next main resistance area is the 618. Now, if we look at the long term of this, Turbo's extremely small right now. We're not even at $1 billion market cap. So these meme coins tend to go absolutely nuts during the hype of the bull run. So if we had to put a hypothetical guess on this coin's top, realistically, I wouldn't put 5 cents off the table. I know they're at 1 cent now, so 5 cents, and then you have the parabolic phase, and this is the hopium right here, guys. Not saying this is happening, but technically speaking, you do have a 1618 up here at 44 cents. So there's your hopium right there. I wouldn't be surprised at all if Turbo went up to 5+ cents and topped out somewhere in this general area between the 1236 and 1618. And who knows, you do have a 1618 fib up there. But nonetheless, in the short term, Turbo's looking solid. I'm pretty curious to see how this performs in the bull run, being such a small market cap meme coin right now. But yeah, once we break out the next main resistance area, man, you should be ready to rock and roll because obviously this 0014 has given us a very tough time going all the way back to October 2024. But we'll assess that situation when we get to it. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.